Hello! Welcome back to Moony. Today, I have a super cool science experiment for us. We're gonna make some sticky slime. I love slime. I mean, who doesn't like slime? Let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna mix two liquids together and try to form a polymer. If we mix the right amount of both, we'll form a polymer that we all know and love. That's right, it's slime. So let's do it. We're gonna take our first liquid and put it in the beaker. We're gonna take our first liquid and fill the beaker to the 20 milliliter line. Using our second liquid, we're gonna add 5 millimeters and try to get it to the 25 milliliter line. Now we're gonna add some color. I mixed this awesome purple color, and we're gonna add about 2 to 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. One for luck. Now it's time to stir our mixture. I think it's starting to happen.
Yay!
Oh my gosh! I love slime! We did it, guys! We created our own polymer! Thank you so much for watching and learning about how to make polymers with me. You should try this at home too. Bye!